Now, here's where it gets interesting. Ayurveda combines these five elements into three energies called doshas. Space element and air element combines to create Vata, called the energy of movement. Vata governs your circulation, breathing, and nervous system. Balanced Vata means you're creative and energetic. Imbalanced, you get anxiety and insomnia. Fire element and water element co-binds to create Pitta, called the energy of transformation. Pitta governs digestion, metabolism, and intelligence. Balanced. Pitta gives you sharp thinking and strong drive. Imbalanced, you get inflammation, acidity, and a temper that's a little too quick to spark. Water element and earth elements combine to create Kapha, called the energy of structure and lubrication. Kapha governs your joints, immunity, and emotional stability. Balanced Kapha makes you calm and strong. Imbalanced, you get sluggishness, weight gain, or a mind that feels foggy and stuck. Here's a connection most videos skip. Each element lines up with a chakra. Earth powers your root chakra, survival and security. Water powers your sacral, emotion and creativity. Fire powers your solar plexus, willpower. Air powers your heart chakra, love and connection. Space powers your throat chakra, expression and truth. Each element even has its own sound and color in yogic tradition. Earth, the sound lam, color yellow. Water, vam, white. Fire, ram, red. Air, yam, blue. Space, ham, deep purple or transparent. These bija or seed sounds are used in meditation to activate each element directly. Signs of imbalanced elements in body. Excess space feels like spacing out or loneliness. Excess air feels like anxiety and dry skin. Excess fire feels like acidity and anger. Excess water feels like bloating and clinginess. Excess earth feels like heaviness and resistance to change. Recognizing these is the first step to fixing them. How to balance each element. To calm space, sit in silence daily. To calm air, practice slow, deep breathing. To calm fire, eat cooling foods and avoid overworking. To calm water, move your body and let emotions flow instead of bottling them. To ground earth, walk barefoot on grass or soil for a few minutes a day.